Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Off Market Mondays. I'm here with my good friend Tracee Denby. How are you?
Doing great. How's it going, Robert?
Awesome. So what we're going to talk about today is guess. Off-market properties. You see it right here, the source for off-market properties. So first things first, I want to talk about a few properties that are not on the market. The first one is a one bedroom. It's perfect for Airbnb. It's up there at the Omni La Costa Resort. It's tied to that.
Very nice.
It is super amazing. It's dialed in. And the Airbnb really is, and what's great is you can do short-term rentals in this development. The one across the way, they don't do short-term rentals.
Oh, wow.
So it's a really nice place. It's up there, and it's listed in the $550 range, but it's well worth it. We got another property up at Encinitas Ranch that is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,385 square feet. Beautiful home, just a little over 1.1. That's an off-market property that is, my opinion, it looks like a model home.
Wow.
So if you're looking for a really nice property in coastal North County, that's a really, really, really nice property. We've got a nice one over here in San Carlos, over in the Lake Streets.
Nice.
And this is going to be in the 700 range. It has a really nice room addition to it, so it's really expansive. Your living, dining combo is really nice. It's actually, I grew up on Bashan Lake, which is just a few streets down from this one. So when I went and checked it out, I was pretty excited. I went and drove by
taking you down memory lane.
I went by my old house when I was a little kid, and I used to, when the rain would come, I'd lay in the gutter and let the rain go over me. You know, that's not really a good idea, but I did that. So that was fun. So we did that. So that's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in the Lake Streets in San Carlos. And then we've got another one, this one, Lemon Grove. I want to say Lake Murray because Lake Murray's right down the street.
Here.
But Lemon Grove, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just a cute little property. There's no garage, but there's storage. There's an above-ground pool with a deck. Great spot. So if you're looking to buy in Lemon Grove, that's a good one. I'll post all the properties on this link here when we're finished. So if you have any off-market properties coming up. And Tracee, you have a listing coming up. Why don't you tell us about that?
So we're looking for a buyer for a beautiful little property in Scripps Ranch. So if you know anybody who's looking to buy right up from Jerebeck School, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's going to be move-in ready, new paint, has pavered driveway, pavers on the back patio, vaulted ceilings, and it's adorable.
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
Sounds exciting. Now, do you have an open house scheduled?
64 square feet. It's right in the prep stage right now, so
Okay.
it totally is off market
Yeah.
right now.
Excellent.
But give me a call if you're interested. My number is 858-220-5566.
And you can always reach out to this link and reach out to us. We're always available, always working 24/7. That's for sure, man. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
How's everything else going, by the way? I miss you.
Oh, thanks.
You doing great?
Yeah, just working.
Yeah. That's
Open
why I'm saying.
houses,
I
yeah.
miss you because you're always out there working. We never get a chance to
know.
hang out.
If it's not my listing, I have an investor that I also do open houses
That's
for.
great.
So.
Yeah. Well, I know you definitely rock that market, and I appreciate having
Thank
you
you.
on. And thanks for telling us about your property. You want to give the address one more time?
Oh, I'm not giving out the address.
Oh, don't get the address, but you can tell the area, a little
Just
bit about
like
the
you
area.
didn't.
That's right, because off-market Mondays means you got to call me,
Or
in this
me.
case, call Tracee. Well, good. I'm glad.
Share the
So
wealth,
so that's
brother.
Scripps Ranch.
Share the wealth.
So that's in Scripps Ranch. That's great.
Yes.
Well, you know what? I have a listing that just went live on the MLS, and this is a fantastic home. It's let me pull it up because this is fantastic. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath up in Oceanside, 1,096 square feet, remodeled kitchen, 2-car garage, and it overlooks the lake up there. I mean, It is a really, really cool place. We're holding that one open this Sunday from 1 to 4. Auction style pricing. It's going to be an amazing property. So the team and I will be up there Sunday 1 to 4. The address is 3745 Skyhaven Lane, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful complex. There's only 17, 20, like 17 or 20, something like that. I think it's 20 units in this entire complex.
Oh, wow. That's great.
It's real, and the landscaping is off the hook. They really, really did a good job. So we're there on Sunday, so come on up and see us. A couple of events. Today we had our Goals and Actuals call that was well attended. That was a good time. Every Monday morning, and I'll put the link in this post, but every Monday morning, 8 o'clock, we go over our Goals and Actuals. Because really, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time.
Right on.
So you got to have your Goals and Actuals, and the biggest thing of that is you got to put it on your time block. So that's really, really important. So we do that every Monday at 8 o'clock. Tracee and I, you've been on the call. It's fun. It's a good time. Every Monday morning, 8 o'clock, Goals and Actuals. And then this Friday, we have a class up in Carlsbad from 3 to 5. It's our top agent happy hour. So we'd encourage you to attend that. If you're an agent or a lender or anyone in the real estate industry, you're welcome to come join us for happy hour. We'll be up in Carlsbad. Again, the link will be in this post. And then, you want to hear something interesting?
Sure.
You may or may not know this about me, but I was an REO broker back when the REOs were here.
Right.
And my buddy Jeff Russell and I are starting our REO training. If you are looking to get into the REO distressed property market, it's not a huge segment right now, but the folks that get prepared and that are ready for when it does come will be doing quite well. So we have our REO training that is starting next month. So follow more information on that. And if you're really curious about what's going on, you can send me a private message. But that's really what we have going on. We've got our off-market Mondays. We've got a great listing coming up in Scripps Ranch.
Right on.
And we
and
have
many more.
and many more, and many more, and hear about it here on Mondays when we do this. And we have that great property up on Sky Haven. So what else is going on? What else would you like to tell the group out there?
Well, hey, it's 2020, and it's time for the Roaring 20s. So
Yes.
it's an exciting time. It's time for a new decade, right?
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
New goals. It's an exciting time.
It is.
Our country's doing great. Economy's good. I mean, wherever you're driving around, you see all this construction and building,
Yeah.
right?
A lot of great
Lots
things.
of improvements. So great things are happening. Rates are low. It's time to buy. Right?
Rock and roll. And we've got properties. We've got properties for them.
So give us a call.
Yes.
We'd love to help you.
Well, this is Robert Weichelt with Tracee Denby.
Tracee Denby.
For Off Market Mondays, your resource for all things off market. Have a great day.